In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get and redeem Claude codes. By redeeming Claude codes, you'll have more tokens for you to use Claude with your current plan. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to do this, first go ahead and log into your Claude AI, and once you are here, go ahead and expand the sidebar. So if your sidebar was minimal like this, you can expand it to get a wider view. Then go ahead and click on your profile icon down below, and once you click here, you can see we have Gift Claude. Go ahead and choose Gift Claude, and from here you'll be able to see your current plan. Unfortunately for me, I'm on a free plan, so I'll need first to upgrade on any of these plans before I can redeem my Claude codes. So choose any plans that you are already on if you don't have, but if you're already upgraded, you should see an option here to redeem the codes or to get the codes, and you'll be able to get and redeem the codes. But if you're on a free plan, you need to go ahead and choose one of these, then tap on next, enter your details here, for instance, the recipient's name and the recipient's email here, and then add a note here for you to be able to check out. Once you check out, now the codes will be generated that you can use or even share. So that's how you can get Claude codes by just following these steps. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.